Hi guys, it's Yongxin. Welcome back to the 28 Days Eat with Who's Kitchen video series. Today is day 27. If you haven't watched the video from yesterday, I'll pop the link down below. Make sure you check them out. This morning for your breakfast, I'm going to teach you guys a sweet dim sum. Honestly, this is one of my most favorite sweet dim sums because it's extremely delicious and super gorgeous. In China, we call it 奶黄包. In English, I call it custard bun. I know you can't wait to see how to make it. Let's get everything started straight away. The first thing I'm going to do here, we are going to make the dough. So we got 150 grams of plain flour here. I'm going to put it through the sieve. Then 5 grams milk powder or powdered milk. So this one here is optional. Then 2 grams of yeast. $100 grams of milk. Then we are going to give everything a quick mix. Once all the ingredients is sort of combined, I'm going to use my hands, make sure they are well combined. So here we are looking to combine everything to a dough. Once everything combined, you're supposed to get a clean dough, and also your bowl is supposed to be sort of clean as well. Then we are going to leave the dough in the bowl and we are going to cover it with some cling film and let it rise twice of the size. So it will roughly be about 40 to 1 hour, depends on your room temperature. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to make that filling. So here I got 40 grams of cake flour. So if you are living in UK or in Europe and where you not really can find cake flour, I taught you guys how to make your own cake flour at home. I will pop a link above, make sure to check it out. So 40 grams of cake flour. Here I put it through the sieve because I want the fillings quite smooth in the end. Then I'm going to put in 75 grams of custard sugar through the sieve. Then I got 10 grams of milk powder or powdered milk. Then I'm going to add in 2 eggs and an extra egg yolk. Now I got a hand whisk. I'm going to quickly whisk everything in. Now I'm going to add in 100 grams of milk bits by bits. Once everything is well combined, I'm going to add in 40 grams of unsalted butter. And a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to move to the hob. So here I'm going to turn the heat on to low heat. And we are going to stir the mixture constantly until all the butter is melted. Now my butter has melted. We are going to keep stirring it until the mixture is combined to a dough. Once everything combined together like this, you can turn off the heat and let the filling cool on the side. I normally let them cool for about 5 minutes and then put them in the fridge to cool until the dough is ready. And I'll be back in a sec. It has been an hour and my dough has risen twice of the size. And I got my filling out as well. And now I'm going to teach you guys how to put them together. So here, first of all, I'm going to dust my bunch with some plain flour. Then I'm going to get the dough out. Then we're going to knead it a little bit. Then I'm going to roll it to a sausage shape. Then I'm going to cut it. So for each individual one, I'm going to roll it to a ball first. And then I'm going to flat it. Then I'm going to roll it a little bit. Just like that. And for the filling, once it's cooled, you can tell it's quite easy to shape it. So I'm going to get some filling out and shape it to a ball as well. Like that. Then I'm going to put the filling in my dough. Then I'm going to just basically stretch the dough and make it seal all the way around. Like that. And then I'm going to quickly roll it back to a ball. And then I'm going to leave it on the side. Then I'm going to quickly do a fill. The recipe I gave to you guys can make 8 custard buns. So here are my custard buns. I'm going to quickly move the hob and show you guys what to do next. So here I'm at the hob and I'm going to put 4 of my custard buns in my steamer. And I'm going to put the lid on. So here, I'm not turning on the heat. We are not going to steam them yet. So we are going to leave them in the steamer for another 15 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we are going to turn on the steamer. And we'll be back in a sec. Now is the time. I'm going to turn on the heat. And I'm going to steam my custard bun for 12 minutes. And we'll be back in a sec. I just turned my heat off because it has been 12 minutes. We are going to leave our custard bun in the steamer for extra 2 minutes before we open the lid. Then I'm going to plate it up and show you guys what our custard bun looks like. Let me show you guys what our steamed custard bun looks like. Wow, they're so cute. Wow. Now I'm going to plate them up. I got a few pieces of baking paper. I put my custard bun on top of the baking paper, just in case if you guys want to, for example, pop them in the fridge or in the freezer. And that will be one of the tips you might want to use. And now I'm going to show you guys. Here are my homemade 奶黄包. Now it's the most important part. Try my breakfast. So as you guys can see, I got a few cut open one already. I'm just gonna bite on them straight away. See what's inside. Loads of amazing filling. I'm gonna have a bite for you guys. Wow, they are absolutely amazing. So delicious. They have the right sweetness inside. It's not extremely sweet. Honestly, the filling inside is super delicious. It's milky and it's sweet and smooth and silky at the same time. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant, guys. I would definitely recommend you guys try this recipe. Now, I'm going to enjoy my breakfast. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want to know what's going on for lunch and dinner, don't forget the bell. I will see you guys at lunchtime. Bye.